Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to our next video. So on this channel we do a lot of fishing, woodworking, cooking, all those stuff, gardening, all those stuff we do on this channel. So if it's your first time here, welcome. But today I'm in the garage today. As you could see behind me right here, I got the cheapest CNC machine you could find on Amazon, and this CNC machine, I have it over 2 years now, still working good. I think it was $190 for this one, and that was the cheapest one at that time. So I think it will pay for itself already. But I could see over here on the computer right here, I'm gonna do that design. So our niece love Taylor Swift a lot. I guess every kids love Taylor Swift, so he's always want me to make her a sign. So I decided I was gonna wait until closer to Christmas. So right here I got a piece of board that I painted pink. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut our Taylor Swift sign design on this board, because so this summer she want me to build her a sign. So I decided just to wait to closer to Christmas. I send her with I wanna send it with her gift. So right here I'm gonna go ahead and put this on the CNC machine and see how it turn out. Hope this one turned out good, because it's the only piece of board I have pink. So I'm gonna go ahead and set it up, and I will turn the camera off. All I'm gonna do is just go ahead and tighten the clips. That's basically it. So I'll catch you guys back in a bit. So guys, as you could see, I put it on, secure it down with the clips for it. Again guys, if you like small project, this is a good little CNC machine for a starter. Again, as I said, I have it over a couple of years now and it's still working perfect. So right here, I'm just gonna go ahead now and start carving. As you could see right here, that's all I'm going to take, 52 minutes. So again, I'm going to turn the camera off on and off to show you the progress. along very good, guys. As you could see right there. Still got 36 minutes left. That's it, guys. I think this one come out amazing. Tell me what you guys think about it. Guys, I'm telling you, the things that this machine can do. You guys into these things, very cheap, affordable. Would make a lot of Christmas present out of this without breaking the bank. So guys, drop it in the comment section. Tell me what you guys think about it. I know she's gonna love it. Again, I said this one is for our niece. She always wanted me to build her a sign. So here it goes. I'm just gonna put some of this over it, guys. Let's keep it simple. Nice. So guys, remember, if it's your first time here, please consider to subscribe, leave a comment, and also leave a like as well. Again, I said I got a few more projects to get done. Again, it's winter now, so I'm gonna do much more project in-house. Well, normally summer we use the opportunity to go fishing, camping, and all those stuff. But for the winter right now, guys, we're gonna switch over more to a bunch more work, unfinished work we have inside to do. Also, I got a bench I want to fix for my dining room table today. Also, as you could see right here, this is one of the fish that I done. Tell me what you guys think about it. Also, got one more right here. I got the next one right here where I want to finish carving out. I just trace it out for now. But I'm not going to do that today. What I'm going to do today is finish some of the unfinished work I have to do. Again, guys, just a simple hobby. Keep myself busy when I'm home. I'm going to put this aside. Again, this is the leg that I make for my dining room table. Also, I get a pack of feet of Amazon. So I'm gonna go ahead now and attach the feet to them. This is how I like to keep myself busy. I'm gonna go ahead and repeat the same process I just did with that one. So here's the lovely top that I make. And this wood is fir wood, join a bunch of them together. And that's some leftover scrap wood, so that's how we use the scrap wood to make something nice out of it. So guys, that's it right there. Nice bench for our dining room table. I like to build stuff for the house. I don't really like to go out and buy all of those stuff. I like to look around and see something that I build and feel proud of myself because of it. Again, that's a simple bench for the dining room table. So guys, this is where we're putting our bench. As you could see, I have to make it custom built for the table, for our table is very tall. Just leave it in the comment section, tell me what you guys think about it. Go see our plant right here too, this is a pineapple. But I leave it outside too long so the frost get frostbite a bit. Also avocado trees are coming back. You can see fresh growth on them. Right here still look at our aloe vera still looking good. Next pineapple right here. Again I said the frost get to them. This one healthy aloe vera. Right here got some dragon fruit tree that I grow from seed.